So you might remember that 1 year ago, I released a video where I spoke about how Mindvalley was going to cut 90% of our programs, and we did that. In 2017, we cut 90% of our programs so we could focus like a laser on the programs that we felt were of the highest quality that our audience loved most. But as soon as we did that, we realized there was a problem. You see, our programs were online courses, and online courses are a problem. If you look at the data, online courses globally across the industry have an 8% completion rate. 8%. This means more than 90% of people who buy an online course do not complete it. So if we truly cared about our students' lives changing, about transformation that delivers, we knew that we couldn't just stop at focusing on our key courses. We had to reinvent the idea of the course. And so over the last 12 months, we've been pouring our energy into redefining what online learning looks like. And what we discovered and released to the world was Mindvalley Quest. With Mindvalley Quest, we're seeing up to 800% better completion rates. But not only that, we started noticing something really unique happening through Mindvalley Quest. People were not just saying that they were learning from incredible teachers and seeing their lives transform. They said that they were making powerful, deep friendships with other students. You see, the unique thing that we discovered in 2017 with the Quest model is that because students start together, go through a program together, and finish together, and they are connected in an online community, we accidentally realized that one of the greatest things we were giving our students was something we call the tribe effect. Think about your greatest memories of college. Odds are it wasn't a particular professor or lecture. Odds are it was the friendships, it was the social gatherings, it was that guy or girl you fell in love with, it was the deep connections you made. We're bringing that into every aspect of Mindvalley. So in 2017, we reinvented the online course. In 2018, our focus is going to be on taking this community aspect of Mindvalley and blowing it up into something bigger than you can ever imagine. Many of us, when we leave college, we miss those memories. Our college years were often said to be the best years of our life. Not anymore. Now, if you're an adult and you, like me, believe in lifelong learning, you don't just get to learn from the greatest teachers in the world in Mindvalley, but we are going to bring you the greatest elements of college: connections, relationships, a network of amazing, inspiring men or women just like you who are going to support you on your learning and help you in your journey. Mindvalley, in essence, is taking the idea of college and turning it into something lifelong and implanting in it the best aspect of college life, which is the community. So what you're going to see in 2018 is how we're going to take this idea of the tribe effect and blow it up. There'll be mass gatherings of our students in cities around the world, such as Mindvalley Reunion. Thousands of students who are making friendships on tribes online, coming together to meet our teachers and meet in the real world. You will get to take your entire family and enroll for up to a month at Mindvalley U in Tallinn, Estonia, where we've rented one of the most epic spaces in the city and are bringing down 1,000 students and their families to create a new type of campus where you get to connect with people across all ages and learn from the greatest teachers in the world. It's a redesign not just of learning, but it's a new way of life. And finally, the thing I'm most excited about for 2018, Mindvalley Tribe membership, where you get to become an official member of the Mindvalley Tribe. It's like if Mindvalley was a global university, this is the equivalent of enrolling and being accepted and being part of this massive community. With Tribe membership, you no longer just get access to incredible trainings from 100+ additional teachers, but we're now working on how you can get access to meetups happening around the world. And I haven't even spoken about all the incredible new teachers that are going to be joining Mindvalley. We are not stopping in our quest to bring in the greatest minds on the planet onto our platform. But here's what you got to do. Starting this year, Mindvalley is no longer just mind, body, and spirit. We are going to be bringing you the greatest education you need in areas as diverse as parenting, as leadership, as developing your muscular system, your fitness abilities, your ability to create company culture. We are going to bring you the greatest programs in every category of human learning that's necessary for the 2020s and beyond. And with the combination of great technology and a great tribe and events happening all around the world where you get to come and meet in person, we're going to make a promise to our students. Any program by Mindvalley in any category will need to be the best of its kind on the planet, and you get to decide. So we want to invite you to be part of Mindvalley in 2018 and go on this crazy massive expansion with us and learn with the best minds in the world and connect with some of the most incredible individuals on planet Earth. I can't wait to see you as part of Mindvalley in 2018.